West Indies taking on Australia. Nice shot. First six. First boundary of the contest.
Out. That's a big one for the West Indies. It's Dixon, it's the four-man.
Has that carried? I think it's carried.
Oh, it's over the top, and that's going to be a boundary.
Beautifully played. Handed back to them. Oh, brilliant! Taken! Gone! Safe hands! Oh, got him! Brilliant! Brilliant!
Oh, he gets him this time. The figure goes up.
A couple of years ago, that was dispatched disdainfully, short and sat up. Just like that, and makes it too easy. First 50 of the tournament for Sam Constas. Very well constructed innings.
Beautiful shot. Beats the fielders. And he's played that shot a couple of times. Just helps it. Oh, what a catch! An absolute screamer. And McMillan departs. It's the captain, Pascal.
Improvisation. He moves closer to the milestone, does Constas.
Yes.
Oh, yes. What about that for some timing? Hasn't found the middle of the bat. An opportunity in the deep. Wants to. Here we go. This could be the moment. He's got to get him move on. And Constas has 100.
Ball go into the surface.
Flat bat. Out.
In the end, a competitive total on the board. He holds the pose. Anyone wants a picture, you can have it. Edson taken. Rockland Atkin, the man completing the job. Deliberate, quite deliberate from Joshua Dawn. Edson gone, another one. Off the mark with a 4. And so we'll have a pause in play. How long? We hope it's not too long.
The umpires had one last look out there. The rain has failed to disappear. And so this match has been abandoned due to rain.